front, so straight back to your stance. That's it. So pick your leg up, push me, and then straight back to your stance. So here, push, straight back down, yeah? Back to your stance. So here. Go. Back to your stance, then stand back. Don't bring it back. So don't. Just on there. Put all your weight in your back leg. From your front leg right. Push. Push. Yeah?
It's like Action Man's arm lock.
Don't swing it back. Let's go. Go, that's it. Oh, you're back then. That's it, good. Hey. Go back. Don't swing it back. That's it. Don't swing it back. Push me away. Push me away.
Like it's Henry, when he's bossing you around.
Come on. No, pretend I'm Henry. I'm going to regret this. Hey, go on. Don't swing it back. That's it. Right, right leg now. So on there, that's it. Down here. Push me. Don't just tap me. Push me right way. That's it. Good. Push me. Hey. Hey. Good. Good. Okay. Right,